Hello class, how are you? Fine? Oh good. Class, today we will learn table of 4. Let's start our lesson. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. I hope you have understood. Now watch the video again and again to learn. Subscribe, like and share our channel to learn more. If you want video on any topic, then ask us. Thank you. Bye-bye.